Do you suffer from the relentless ringing in your ears known as tinnitus? If so, you're not alone. Tinnitus affects millions of people worldwide and can have a significant impact on their quality of life. In this video, we will explore some natural supplements that may provide instant relief from tinnitus symptoms. Before we dive into the natural supplements, let's first understand what tinnitus is. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by the perception of sound in the absence of an external source. It can manifest as ringing, buzzing, hissing, or other similar auditory sensations. Tinnitus can be caused by various factors, including exposure to loud noises, age-related hearing loss, earwax blockage, and certain medical conditions. Our first natural supplement for tinnitus relief is Gingko Biloba. This herbal extract has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is believed to improve blood flow to the brain and reduce inflammation. Some studies suggest that Gingko Biloba may help alleviate tinnitus symptoms, such as ringing in the ears. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new supplements. Next up, we have zinc. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including the maintenance of a healthy immune system and the promotion of cellular repair. Some studies have shown that zinc deficiency may be linked to tinnitus, and supplementing with zinc could potentially alleviate the symptoms. However, as with any supplement, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a zinc regimen. Magnesium is another natural supplement that may offer relief from tinnitus. This mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including nerve and muscle function. Some research suggests that magnesium deficiency could contribute to tinnitus, and supplementing with magnesium may help reduce the severity of the symptoms. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine. While natural supplements may provide some relief from tinnitus, it's important to remember that everyone's experience with tinnitus is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan. In addition to exploring natural supplements, there are various other therapies and techniques available for managing tinnitus symptoms. Remember, you are not alone, and there is hope for finding relief.